This is a 3-bedroom house getting built out of Mount Cotton in Brisbane. I'll just take you for a quick look through. So it's a little veranda off the side here, overlooking the dam and the rest of the property. Front entryway here. Bedroom, bathroom. Another bedroom here. This is all the living area in this part here. Down this way is the master bedroom. And additional living area. So this is at the framing stage. We're just getting the fascia and gutters and the roofing put on today. You can see that this took about 2.5 days of construction. They've already got these are the ceiling battens. So the ceiling battens go into 600 centres because we use a product called Super Seal for the gyprock on the roof and the ceiling. But you can see it's got nice, big, clear, stacking sliding doors.